Hi friends. Joyous candle nights to you all. If you celebrate it, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever suits you. I know it's been almost a month since I've uploaded, and then I realized that I wasn't gonna have anything up for Christmas. So I am taking my precious free time to film something for you all, just so that you have something to open on Christmas Day. I've been extremely busy. My schedule's been packed to the hilt. If you haven't watched my last video, I will leave that linked up here. That video goes into further detail of why I am so busy. I wanted to sit down and just film something really simple, holiday glam, chill as heck video, because honestly, I can barely keep my eyes open. I'm very tired. My brain is fried, my voice is fried, my hair is fried, but we must persevere because y'all deserve some holiday glam. So we're gonna do that right now. Today we're going to achieve that with the Muerte palette. So if you're interested in seeing this today on my face, keep on watching and let's get started. I'm gonna start with my eyes first. I'm not even gonna put on eyebrows because honestly, I have already done this today. I already had a full face of makeup on. I had a matinee for Joseph, so you better be grateful. God damn it. Ooh, ignore my heinous skin. It is just magnificent. I haven't even dipped into it, and you can tell because it still looks pretty pristine. I haven't even swatched, played, haven't done a single thing with this palette. I bought it for $25 off, which was so nice, and the only reason I bought it. I don't know if I'll get the other side because honestly this side is the one that calls out to me. The color scheme is just absolutely breathtaking. I think we're gonna play mostly in this side today because we're gonna do a little bit of holiday glam. So that cranberry shade, that mulled wine shade, it really just screams festive to me. First priming with the Urban Decay primer potion in the shade Eden. I've fallen back in love with this primer since using it pretty much daily for my show makeup. I just really love the way that everything blends on top of them and everything stays put without it getting patchy or clinging in weird areas. So it's just been really working for me right now as of late. I can't believe I'm putting on makeup again for the second time today. I should leave a picture of what I looked like this afternoon because it was indeed a full face. I'm gonna go pretty glam. I'm just gonna bite the bullet and go directly into Corazon and start making a shape. I think I want to do like a little soft shape out here and then sort of bring it down this way. So used to putting on pink eyeshadow that this is feeling very weird for me. It's kind of the exact color of blood, which is fine. Definitely want the edges to be nice and blendy. Just a nice soft shape. I might clean up and round that out a bit later when I'm putting on my foundation, but for now, that's fine. These two are very similar in tone, but this one's just a little lighter, so I'm gonna go in with this one first. It is Sangre, and we're gonna deepen this up a tiny bit. Ignore my problem area. It is my problem area for a good reason. Just can't seem to get that ever to blend properly. Now with a tighter packing brush, we are going to just along the outer edge very neatly try and tap in Velorio. I kind of just want to create this like structure here on this angle just so that we have some nice contrast between this shade and the gold. And then I'm going to try and cut out some sort of shape with concealer. For this, I'm using my Revlon Candid Photoready concealer, which I've been really loving. But as long as you love me so, let it snow. There's never enough concealer in the world to do a cut crease. It is so baffling. kind of an interesting shape. I don't really like that as much as I thought I was going to now that I'm seeing it. It's kind of whack. Okay, never mind. It's fine. Let's just finish up the eye and see what happens. I want to use that bright champagne yellow gold shade right here. It's called Tacha or Kalaka. Don't know how you pronounce it. Since my nails are far too long to go in with my fingers, I have to use a brush, which I'm kind of a little upset about just because I know it's not going to work as good. It's actually got a little bit of a shift. Let it snow. Let it... Oh, wow, okay. That is pretty stunning, if I do say so myself. Kind of wondering what would happen if I put some more corazon on this part. Let it snow. Let's try and clean up this edge a bit. Let's try and emphasize this shape a little by putting the Velorio shade closer to that cut crease. No, I think I have to round this off. Oh yeah, that's a little better. The other side will definitely be easier to do because now I've figured out what I need. What I'm going to do is I'm going to finish up the other eye off camera and then we'll come back, speed through a little bit of the base, and then finish the rest of the look together. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let's finish this eye so I can get some dinner. I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line with some Corazon, which is that red shade again. Actually, I do think this look is coming together. I was definitely a bit nervous for a second there. The other eye also went way faster because I took way fewer steps. Sometimes simplest is best. I mean, if I really wanted it to be simple, I wouldn't have done a dang cut crease, but here we are. Used a new brow product today, by the way. The Urban Decay Brow Blade, which was recommended to me by a subscriber. The pencil's not my fave. It's kind of a bit on the chonky side. It's just not as fine as the Benefit Precisely My Brow. I just find that the tip of the Precisely My Brow just really gives you that defined edge. However, the other end of the brow blade is a marker. It's so nice having an eyebrow marker. Honestly, has kind of changed my brow game a little bit, and I can get these really nice defined edges and you can really feather out the front of your brow. Let's go in with the deepest shade, Velorio, and just tuck it right up in there. Not going too far down or in. I just want to make sure that everything's connected with the top. I want to line my waterline, but I don't know with what. Let's go in with the ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in Dirty Talk because it's gold. Okay, I want to do some big old blush, so gonna have to be Clown Blush. I definitely am just going to hit up some Circus, which is the burgundy shade. If we go in lightly with it first, it will probably come off a little bit more pink and rosy, and then we can just build it up and it'll be beautiful. Also, I know that my sweater is so hideous, I know, but it's so fuzzy and I just want to wear it, okay? It's so wintry. I love it so much. Let's do a little bit of Ambient lighting powder from Hourglass. Since I have it, it's mine now. I better use it. Just soften the edges a bit. Love the way it looks on the forehead. Just chef's kiss. Let's throw a little bit of that blush light on. Then we'll also take the highlighter in the palette, which is this one right here. So you really can't go overboard with this one. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I'm gonna beef up the highlighter just a little bit with Amrezy. I think it'll go well with the champagne gold. I've been wearing so much glitter at work that I feel like this sort of soft ambient look is about all I want for today. I've just been inundated with it. It's in my clothes, it's on my face, it's everywhere. So just for today, I think we're going to skip the glitter. And I know it's the holidays and the holidays are about glitter, but I'm just really happy with how this looks right now, so I'm just going to leave it as fucking is. Let's put on some lashes, shall we? I'm just gonna wear the same lashes that I wore in the last video because I love them so much and they're perfect, so fight me? I don't. For those of you that wanted to, I'm really hoping you all got your Christmas shopping done on time. Any presents that you wanted to get for special people in your life this holiday season, I hope it went smoothly. I hope it's done by the time this comes out. While I'm waiting for that to dry, I need to contemplate lips. While we're contemplating that, let's just multitask and spray down. Why does one side always look more beamy than the other? I just don't understand why one side of your face just has to misbehave. It's just so frustrating. Lashes should be just about ready by now. This is the Likely Makeup Lash Tool, and honestly, it has changed my lash life. Let it snow. People in the cast are always asking me how you make lash application easier. Honestly, I can say that this has dramatically changed the way I put them on. Like I said, maybe my most favorite lash Likely makeup has ever produced. It's Lip Time and I have no idea what to do, but too yellow red. I feel like this is too orangey, too dark. The one color I'm missing in my collection is a dark red. Yeah, let's go in with Kink Cosmetics today in the shade Role Model. I've used this before. I've used it before in a video. I'll link it up here. But first, we overline to high heaven, and we use my favorite lip liner for that. And then let's start off with Role Model. And I think to ombre it out just a teeny tiny bit, I'm just gonna dab on some Fenty Beauty's Unbutton in the very center. And this is the festive holiday Yuletide glam all complete. I feel like I could go to a holiday party and just live my best life. I forgot to put on Bada mascara, didn't I? I did. Where was I? I definitely went a bit more overboard on the eye look than I was planning to. I definitely went in a more defined look, but honestly, I really like it. Playing with this was such a treat, a joy. I can't wait to play with it more. Maybe I'll do the other side of the palette for New Year's or something. If that's something you're interested in, just leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know. I know this video is a lot more chilled out than last year's Christmas video, but honestly, I just am so ding dang tired that it has to be this way. I hope it wasn't too boring. And if you celebrate anything this holiday season, I hope that you get everything that you wished for, including world peace and Sephora gift cards. It's definitely on my list. And if you don't celebrate anything, just enjoy this nice quiet time with friends and family. I hope that you get some time off to relax. I know that I will be enjoying December 25th, as it is the only day off that I will have since November. It's really starting to hit me now, guys. I almost forgot. Here are the many ways that you can help out this channel. You could like this video, you can comment down below what you thought of the video, what you thought of the look. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers. I would love to hit 1K before 2020, and I think we can do it. I just need to get myself out there a little bit more. Spread the good word, share with your friends, do what you can. You could follow me on other social media. My Instagram is at Madelaide, the same way it is spelled here, and my Twitter is at madsuds, which is MADDSUDZ. Last but not least, you can check out the Patreon link down below. I really do appreciate any and all support. Happy holidays, eat, drink, and be merry and look fabulous while you're doing it. And especially during the holidays, please be kind and be generous to everyone you meet out there in the world today. And hopefully I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
Let it snow, let it snow.